So student people, today we are going to learn about how the people migrate from one place to another, that what effect they gives to the population. So what is meant by migration? The population of a region may also change due to the migration, that means by movement of the people into or out of it. When a number of inward migrate, entering to a country exceed the number of immigrate and outward leaving the country population increases, and when the immigrant exceeds, the immigrant population decreases. Migration takes place within and between the countries. Generally, people migrate to places where Generally, people migrate to the places where they get more food or resources and better opportunity of employment, education, and healthcare. And there is a migration from less developed countries to the developed countries. So, for the same reason, there is a migration within the country or rural to urban areas. Now, pattern of population change. How the pattern of population changes? It depends on the birth rate and the death rate. Initially, the population of the world grew very slowly, because both the birth rate and death rate were high. Within a passage of time after the Industrial Revolution, the condition of living improved. Better medical facilities were developed and the production of food is increased. That means after the Industrial Revolution, the condition of living improved, better medical facilities were developed, and the production is increased, bringing down the number of death rate caused by the diseases and starvation. Thus, the death rate declined and the population began to grow as rate faster. So, the population has grown faster. The gradual increase in the world population in 2.2, we will notice that it took millions of years of the human population to reach a billion. But it took only 12 years for it to rise 6 billions in the 7 billions. The rise of growth rate of population led to a number of problems. That means if the rise of population is there, it creates many problems, including the first is the shortage of food. It soon became clear that within limited sources, the earth food production could not be increased at the rate of the population was increasing. So, the effort began to make a control the birth rate by assuring that there would be enough food for all. The resultant fall in the birth rate has lowered the rate of the population growth. The rate of population growth varies from time to time in different parts of the world. The developed countries experience high rate of population growth when they succeeded in lowering the death rate. That is, developed countries experience high rate of population growth when they succeeded in lowering the death rate. Later on, the countries were succeeded in lowering the birth rate, thus slowing down the growth of the population. The facility required for lowering the death rate is relatively less developed countries. These countries have managed to reduce the death rate initially but continue to have the birth rate. This initially mainly caused the people in these countries not aware of the control of the population growth. As present, Asia, Africa, South America, Australia experiencing a higher rate of population growth than Europe and North America. Now, what is the characteristic of a population? The population comprises male and female, young and old, working and dependent. So, it depends on the people portion of different categories of different people population help to understand qualities of the population. So, they help in understanding the quality of population. Coming period, we will learn about the age and the composition.